Hi guys, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, we'll be looking at the euro dollar. Right, it's interesting why I choose to look at this euro dollar is because the daily configuration for this seems like there's going to be a good opportunity uh, to play on the euro dollar. Now, in the euro dollar, we just want to focus on the more current prices. Okay, the rest we can just ignore for now. What I see here is that price made one high, and then it came back, tested the same level again, and then recently it tested the same level again, and now price is pushing lower, right? At the same time, price made a low here, and over here price has been consistently slightly higher than this low. So if we were to connect all these points, right, all these points, it seems to be an ascending trend line support. Okay, it's clearer if I were to change it to a line chart and I were to draw the lines, you'll be able to see it in a nicer manner, right? Let me just change this to resistance. And then connecting these points here. Right, so connecting all these points, and this is really what we have, right? Sort of an ascending triangle pattern where price made the same high 3 times and then tapped the low 3 times in making marginally higher lows. All right, when we change to candlesticks, it's a bit hard to see, but when it's hard to see, we can use line chart to make things easier to see. So on the daily, it seems like price has really rejected off this area, forming an inside day pattern, and it should be pushing lower. Okay, so let me just tidy up this chart, something like that. Okay, and change the default. All right, and we can take a retracement from this low all the way to this high, right, to look for a support. But graphically speaking, I like the support to be somewhere here, or at least falls in line with the ascending trend line support. So let's do that retracement. And we see that the graphical level does not fall nicely with the 61. However, the trend line falls quite nicely with the 78.6. So let's highlight the 78.6 level. And then let's put our daily support line there. On the daily, we are bearish. We have a bearish bias that price will at least push down to the ascending trend line support. Let's go down to the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours, let's tidy this up. Okay, I want to see something like that. And then for this daily resistance, I'll just use the most high here. Okay, where it touches all the points. Okay, so the daily resistance, I'll use the most high here. Now, we see also that price, right, there's a strong push up and price made some sort of a double top pattern. If it's hard to see, you change to line chart, you can see a double top pattern. Over here, there was a small double top again, and previously there was another double top, right? So it's a bit hard to see, but when you change to line chart, you can see things clearly. Now, the key thing about double top and double bottom pattern is that when there's a strong preceding trend and price forms a double top, the moment it breaks the neckline, okay, you should see price going all the way down. It's the same thing that's true for a double bottom pattern. So now we're on the 4 hours. Graphically, right, we can use this level here as a sort of a resistance. Right. And we can take a retracement from the recent high all the way down to where price currently is, open out all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that our 4-hour resistance is in line with the 38.2. Okay. At the same time, the daily resistance is in line with the 78. Right. So all this puts out to be really, really nice. So let me just highlight the 38.2 and 78.6. Okay, and now for the short term, okay, we can also use a retracement, right? There's one push up and then a down, and then price started from here, made another push up. So we can use the retracement of this smaller level way to the higher point, open up all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that the 61.8 is actually in line with this graphical overlap, right? So let me just put the graphical overlap in. Okay, and we can call this our take profit for partial. All right, this will be the partial take profit. Okay, so let me highlight the 61. Okay, and the daily support. The daily support can be our take profit as well, but this will be the full take profit. Right, so how this works is we can go short. When price reaches the partial take profit, we close out 50% of our position, move our stop loss to break even, and then let the rest of the positions run to the daily take profit. Okay, so to find our entry, we can go down to the 1 hour. Now we actually see that, right, on the 4 hour, price is just making one straight push down. However, when we go to 1 hour, we can see price make a straight drop, small retracement, and another push down. So we want to wait for price to make a pullback before we go short. And how we do this is we can use a retracement of the recent movement down from here to where price currently made a new low. Okay, let's open all Fibonacci retracements. And we see that this graphical level here falls quite close to the 38.20, right? Falls quite close to the 38.20. So this can very well be our sell entry. And I'll call this the sell entry for the low risk. Okay, why is this the sell entry for the low risk? Is because you're actually waiting for price to pull back and then you go short, right? If you're high risk, the moment price breaks below this level, okay, there's a close below this level, you can actually just go short all the way, right? For the riskier people. Okay, so my sell entry will be here. My stop loss will be my 4 hour resistance. Okay, and then I will play it down all the way to the daily trend line, all right, with my take profit here. So this gives a very, very good risk reward ratio, but it's just dependent on whether you're more risk loving or risk averse. If you're risk averse, you'll wait for a close below this level, right? Let me just draw it, dotted line there. Okay, you'll wait for price to close below this level right now. So we have to see how this 1 hour candlestick closes. Okay, let me just change it to a dotted line, downside confirmation. Yeah, this will be the for more risk-loving people. All right, so definitely now a waiting game to see whether price closed below the downside confirmation. So that's all we have for today's trade of the day for Euro USD. I hope this has been a very informative one for you guys. Stay safe and have a great weekend. I'll catch you guys next week. Thank you.